Hi friends, you are watching Fast Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your Nikon DSLR or your TV to your Nikon DSLR or any external monitor, like any monitor which have HDMI port. And now you need to set some settings in the camera. Go to HDMI port and select the resolution. If you don't know about the resolution, then please make it auto like this, and once again go into HDMI and set the device control off like this. Now here we done for manual settings. Now you need to connect your TV with this mini connector or mini HDMI to HDMI connector. I am putting the link in description where to buy. You can find it in Amazon or in your local market or in your local computer shop. This connector makes HDMI regular to mini HDMI. Now open here the port, mini HDMI port, and connect it like this, and set your TV to HDMI input. Like this. Now your TV is connected to your DSLR as an external monitor. But unfortunately in this model, means Nikon D5500, both screens are not working. When I am connecting with HDMI, only TV screen showing all these things, and camera screen is going turn off. Now you can look here, the viewfinder is working fine. You can now make movies and click photos. Now here I am showing you another method to connect an external monitor. You need this cable AV out to video, and you need AV supported TV, any TV. Now go on to your TV and set into it input AV, and connect to your DSLR output connector like shown. The AV connector is left side on the camera. Now connect it properly. Make sure you are inserting properly the cable like this, and now you can watch here. The TV is on AV mode, and camera screen also working. Both are working same time, but you cannot adjust here the resolution, and I think little bit quality is dropping with AV mode comparing to HDMI mode. The quality of output of your external monitor, not your recording, just on external monitor, the quality is little bit dropping with this cable comparing to HDMI cable. You can use this method for all Nikon DSLR like 3000 series, 5000 series, 7000 series, and I checked another model named 5200 which is working with HDMI both monitors same time. And thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel Fast Tech if you like this video.